Hello, my friends. It's me, Mrs. Holbrook. Many of you, when I run into you, say, Look, it's the Foundations lady. So I thought I would remind you my name is Mrs. Holbrook. Say Holbrook. How many syllables are in my last name? Holbrook. Two. How many syllables are in your name? Nemo. There's two syllables in my name. Speedy. There's two syllables in my name, too. Look, we have a connection. We're the same. How about Baby Echo? Baby echo. Wow, four syllables. Two words. Each word has two syllables. All right, syllables are important to help us hear the words and the parts of the words. You know what else is important? The sounds. So let's work on some of our glued sounds. Repeat after me. INK, pink ink. UNK, junk unk. ONK, honk onk. ANK, bank ank. ONG, song ong. UNG, lung ung. ING, ring ing. ANG, fang ang. Great job. And let's come on over here and do the standard cards. Let's do the digraphs today. WH, w. CH, ch. SH, sh. TH, CK, k. Great job. And let's sing our vowels. Here we go. A, apple, a. E, ed, f. I, it. O, octopus, ah. U, up, ah. Very nice. And what color are the vowels over here? Okay. Or pink, whatever you want to call it. Okay, my friends. So we are going to look at some words now. Please hold while I get the word list. Okay, here's my list, everybody. I want you to start by finding me any word that has a base word and a suffix. Okay, read them to me. Ship, ships. What else? Song, songs. Thing, things. Awesome. Now read me all the words that have an NG glued sound. Are there any NGs in the first row? Nope. Are there any NGs in the second row? Yes. What do they say? Sung, song, songs, thing, things. How about this row? Any NGs in the last row? Nope. Now how about NK? Are there any NKs in the first row? What are they? Pink, sunk. Good job. Any NKs in this row? Any NKs down here? Yeah, these ones are going to rhyme because they have the same glued sound. What does this one say? Think, wink, dunk. Do you know how to dunk on a basketball hoop? That is super cool. Okay, read me this whole list now. Awesome job, guys. Okay, I have two new words of the day for you. Not words of the day, trick words. I have two new trick words. Come on over. We're going to the trick word area. Woohoo! It's trick word time. Okay, here's the first sentence. Come have some lunch. Let's count the words. Come have some lunch. Four. Let's start with our uppercase and let me write that word come. Have, that's a trick word we know. Some lunch. There's our 4 words. And my period, my stop sign. I'm going to circle this one right here, and let me bring you a little closer and see if you can read it. Come have some lunch. What is this word? Some, that's right. Let me write it out for you up here. S, is that part tricky? Some, some. Nope, that's not tricky. So I'll just put a dot underneath it. It sounds like a U, but guess what? It's an O. That's tricky. Some, not tricky. And then there's an E at the end that's silent. That's tricky. So there's a few parts that aren't tricky, and then a few parts that are. There's the word again, some. Now I'm going to change it up a little bit. Actually, I'm not even going to change it. I'm going to circle another word. This is our other trick word. Come have some lunch. What does this one say? Come. C-O-M-E. What do you notice about these 2 words? Yeah, they both have O-M-E. So they both have sounds like U-M, but these words are tricky because the is spelled O-M-E. Come some. The beginning sound and the M is not tricky on either of them. Come some. Let's skywrite them to help our brains remember how to spell them. 2 fingers out, nice straight arm. Here we go. S-O-M-E. Some. And down here, come. C-O-M-E. Come. Let's take our finger, let's do some. S-O-M-E. Some. Let's do come. C-O-M-E. Come. Good work. Where could we put these to help us have a little spot to look? Do you know, Speedy? I don't know. Do you know, Nemo? Yes, you can put them in your student notebook. Brilliant idea. Grab your student notebook. Trick words in the back. Come, k. It's a C, so find the C. And we will go ahead and write the word come. C-O-M-E. Come. Looks like comb. It's come. That's what makes it a trick word. Pause until you have that entered in, and we'll do its partner that rhymes with it. Some. What do you hear at the beginning of some? So find the S's, and let's enter S-O-M-E, some. Pause until you have come and some. Way to go. You can put those notebooks to the side. Tell me these words one more time. Some, come. I want you to come to my house and have some dinner. Okay, we are going to end with some dry erase dictation today. So get out your whiteboard and we'll do 3 words and a sentence. So number it 1, 2, 3. And let's start with our first word. Songs. Is there a suffix? What's the base word? Song. So tap out song. Song. Spell it and write it. And add that suffix S. Who knows how to mark this word? What do we need to do? We can box in the glued sound. What else? Underline the base word. Circle the suffix. Song, songs. Nice job. Okay, let's go down to number 2 and do another word. Let's do thing. Is there a suffix ending? Nope, so let's just tap out thing. Ing. Take your time. Hold your pencil correctly. And make your word thing. What can we mark? That's right. There should be a digraph we can underline. And there should be a glued sound. Very good. Box that glued sound. Thing. And we'll do one more word, my friends. Let's do the word wings. Everybody fly. Pretend you have wings. Is there a suffix S? So what's the base word? Wing. Let's tap it out. W-ing. Spell it out loud and write it. Make sure that G is going the right way and all the way down to the worm line. And what should we mark? We can box in the glued sound. And then underline the base word, circle the suffix. Wing, wings. Read me the 3 words. Song, songs, thing, wing, wings. Way to go. Let's erase these words and end with a perfect sentence. Okay, get ready to repeat after me once your board is erased. The cat has 2 big chunks of fish. Let's count these words, it's a long one. The cat has 2 big chunks of fish. 8 words, we can do it. We're gonna start with the trick word. The cat has 2 big chunks of fish. Wow. You have 4 trick words and 4 words to tap out. Go ahead and do your sentence. The cat has 2 big chunks of fish. Pause until you're done. Okay, if you're back, I'll read the sentence. It's a long one. Point to each word and make sure you have it all. The cat has 2, the number 2, big chunks of fish. Okay, did you do an uppercase and a stop sign at the end? If you didn't, do it now. Okay, thumbs up if you did that. All right, now you have 4 trick words to check. The, has, 2, make sure it's the number 2, and of. Of is the trickiest of all the trick words because neither sound sounds the right way. It sounds like that, of. So you don't even know where to look in the dictionary, but of starts with O. Okay, I'll help you out with that one. That's just the super trickiest one ever. Of. Not that, it's that. Okay, so once all of your trick words are good, then let's go and tap the words. Tap out cat, make sure you wrote cat. The cat has 2 big, make sure you wrote big correctly. Chunks, unk, do chunk and then make it say chunks. And then fish, make sure you have the sh digraph at the end. Pause until you really check those over and you feel like they're correct. Okay, here we go. Check it to mine. T-H-E, C-A-T, H-A-S, T-W-O, B-I-G, C-H-U-N-K-S, O-F, F-I-S-H. Fix up any mistakes. Pause and fix them up. And then the last thing we'll do together is scoop it and read it smoothly. The cat has 2 big chunks of fish. The cat has 2 big chunks of fish. Fantastic job today. Fix all your mistakes and then erase everything to keep your board nice and neat.